Everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak your iOS 13 device. It's super easy to do, guys. You can do it with no computer. It's 100% untethered. It's very simple. Anybody can do it. So I'm just going to show you guys the Cydia app's got all the features you need. By the way, this is an iPhone XS, so it does work on A12 and it does work on iPhone 11 as well, okay? So anyways, guys, as you can see, it's got all the features that you need in Cydia, all right? Literally everything you would ever want, and it literally, like I said, it only takes like 2 minutes of your time. It's incredibly easy. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did this. Okay, so first open up Safari. This only works on Safari, guys, and go to the website apphacks.co. all right, apphacks.co/Cydia. Okay, there is the website, guys, apphacks.co/Cydia. Okay, so just click on the go button. All right, and basically what this website is going to do is it's going to install the Cydia installer profile. Okay, so as you can see, profile download, click close. Okay, now open up your settings. All right, and once you open up your settings, it should say profile downloaded right here. Okay, so just click on profile downloaded, and as you can see, it says Cydia right there. Okay, perfect. So just click install, enter in your passcode there. Okay, next, install. Okay, done. All right, there you go, guys. Okay, so now I just updated my Cydia installer profile. Okay, so I'm gonna open that up, and basically I'm gonna show you guys how to complete the installation. So right now you have the installer. Okay, so this is just an installer. So to complete the installation, you basically have to do some very easy steps. The developers made this one very easy. Okay, so to start the installation, just click on any of the features here. So I'll just click manage account. Okay, as you can see, it says injection required. Okay, so basically what you're going to do from here is you're going to click the start injection button. And so basically it's going to take you to the injection wizard. And basically what the developers did this time is they made it so they hid the rest of the files required for Cydia in other apps. And so when you install and download and open these apps, it begins transferring the rest of the files required for Cydia over to your device. So like I said, guys, it's so easy. So just follow the steps there. But guys, I want you to keep in mind when you're doing the injection process, pay attention to what each individual app says. I know it says in the wizard to install and open 2 apps for 30 to 60 seconds each, but some apps may differ. So some apps you might have to install the app, play it up to like a certain level, like it'll say install this app and play game up to level 3, or it'll say like install app, sign up at this part. And so make sure you do exactly what each individual app says, because basically what happens is for example, if it says install and play this app up to level 3, once you hit level 3 in the game, that's when the files begin transferring over. And the same goes for if it says install and sign up and do like some tasks or whatever. As soon as you complete those tasks, then the files begin transferring over. The developers just tried to be a bit sneakier so that this would last longer and they wouldn't have to keep updating it and, you know, having to add more apps. So guys, just follow each individual app's instructions. And most of the time you'll just be able to get away with installing and opening 2 apps for about 30 seconds each. But if not, if there's no apps that say that, just follow each one's instructions. Guys, once you finish the injection, Cydia should load with all the features available. If it hasn't loaded within 30 minutes, I recommend you go back and do the injection over again. If it has not loaded, so basically the start injection screen will just basically go back to Cydia and you'll have all the features and all the features will work. But if it doesn't and it stays on the start injection page, then you're gonna have to do the injection over again. And like I said, just take my advice, be patient with it, don't try and speed through it. Just follow each individual step on each app and you should be fine. Other than that, guys, that's the easiest way to get Cydia on your iOS 13 device. If you want to jailbreak your iOS 13 A12 device, this is the way to do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your jailbroken device.